Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do unboxing. So I have 3 items here to unbox from Kitchen Go. First one is the rechargeable electric spice grinder. The second one is the spice grinder with copper lid. And the third one, the spice shaker set. So I'm gonna start unboxing the spice shaker set. So if you are interested for purchasing these items or products, you can check the description box of this video. So let's start unboxing this spice shaker. So as you can read here, there's you can use it pepper, salt, and much more. So there's a fine, coarse, and free pour. So there's a stainless steel lid. And okay, let's try this one. So this is the inside of the box with bubble wrap. Wow, nice. As you can see, you can turn this, put some salt in it. There's a course, and you can pour over here. And the other one is for the pepper. Nice glasses too. You can turn this to pour the pepper, and another one, the coarse and the fine, right there. Okay. This is the coarse. So let's try the fine. Yes, you can see. Second one is the coarse. Yeah, right there. Let's see. Right there. You see the difference? And if you wanna pour it, putting some salt on your dish or cooking, you can pour it easy. Just 3 turns, or you can lock it like that. So I love this product, guys. I love this item, this kitchen gadget. It's so cute, nice, stainless steel, and so easy to use. Yeah. Let's try it. So you can see it's the same with a salt. There's a fine and the coarse right here. You can see the difference. Look at that. You can see the difference, right? Nice. And if you want some more, you can turn the lid right there. So this is very easy to use, guys. It's compact body, stainless steel, and antibacterial surface. I'm gonna put the link on the description box so you can check it out in Amazon store. So this is the Kitchen Go Spice Shaker set. Next unboxing is, this is the special features right here, the quantity control. So fine, coarse, and adjustable coarseness. Another Kitchen Go spice grinder. Let's see. Okay. Oh wow, I'm so excited. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Still in the bubble wrap. Right here. Okay, thank you for your order. So right here, how to use. Your favorite whole spice, example sea salt, peppercorns, coriander, cumin, and more. Fill the glass and adjust the grinding mechanism to determine the grain you prefer, coarse, medium, or fine. So this is three different sizes of grinding of your grain. So just follow the instruction here, guys. And let's open it. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at that. I like this. Oh my god, look. Nice glass and copper lid. Yeah, as you can see. And adjust it to fine, coarse. Yeah, okay. Nice. Look at the bottle. I love it. I recommend this product to you guys. This is really nice kitchen gadget. It's so easy. Just twist or unscrew the glass. Yeah. And then this is the kitchen gadget that you always need every day. Right there. I have some peppercorn. Pointy out. And then let's grind it. Okay. So right there, guys, look at that. This is the fine one. You can see here. The medium and the coarse. All you need to do, you just follow the arrow right here to have a fine grind black pepper. The coarse one going there and the fine one is going here. Easy to use. And you got a fine ground black pepper, medium grind, and the coarse. Beautiful. So let's put back the lid. Look how nice is that, guys. So pretty. Very handy. Nice. Easy to use. It's a copper. Look at that. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.